Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you use ChatGPT to write your code. Okay, so let's start. All right, so I have here ChatGPT already opened. So if you don't have an account, you have to go to openai.com. You can create an account or you can just use your Google account to log in. All right, so here ChatGPT can absolutely help you with your codes. So it is very easy to use. All you have to do is just type what you want in the chat box in here. So say for example, you can say, give me a sample code for, let's say, a booking app. All right, so when it's done giving you the code, it also explains what the code is about. So actually, this is a ready to copy code. You can use this, just change few variables with it, and it is good to go. And also, ChatGPT can also help you correct or check your code. So I have a code here. It's just a simple calculator, and I intentionally made a mistake. So let's try if ChatGPT can find it. So here you can say, can you help me find the mistake in my code? All right, it says of course. So here I'm going to paste my code here. It also recognizes that it's a simple calculator. Okay, so here actually I just removed the return command. And yep, sure enough, it found it. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.